Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basics microfiber cleaning cloths, known for their reputation as one of the best soft cleaning cloths available. Whether you're cleaning cars, household surfaces, or even delicate electronics, these cloths claim to deliver outstanding results. Let's find out if they live up to the hype. These microfiber cleaning cloths come in a pack of 24, featuring a mix of blue, white, and yellow cloths, each measuring 16 by 12 inches. They're designed to be ultra-soft and non-abrasive, ensuring they won't scratch paints, glass, or other delicate surfaces. One of the standout features is their incredible absorbency. These cloths can soak up to 8 times their weight in liquid, making them ideal for both dry and wet cleaning tasks. Plus, they're reusable and washable, so you can use them hundreds of times, making them not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective in the long run. Whether you're detailing your car, cleaning kitchen countertops, or polishing your electronics, these cloths promise streak-free results and a lint-free shine. They're versatile enough to use with or without cleaning agents, adapting to different cleaning needs effortlessly. Now, while they excel in many areas, some users have noted minor issues like initial lint shedding or color bleeding if not washed correctly. However, these are common with many microfiber products and can be mitigated by following the care instructions provided. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dependable set of microfiber cleaning cloths that deliver on softness, absorbency, and durability, the Amazon Basics microfiber cleaning cloths are a solid choice. They're suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks and offer excellent value for your money. That wraps up our review. If you've used these cloths before or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.